I decided to create my own position in my most comfortable city. This inspired me to start Hindi Global Exim with a very limited finance, and we started with a team of 2 people and a turnover that could just meet our usual expenses in the first year. Today we have completed 4.5 years in business and we are a team of 15 with a turnover of 45 crore. I must mention that there was a very serious and consistent effort to get the business to this level. The interactions with Wadhwani Foundation and their consultants was an eye-opener, especially the discovery call with my consultant was at the time when the world was closed due to COVID-19 situation. The businesses were struggling from challenges that we all are aware about. The discovery call and the in-depth analysis of my business made me realize that we already have a very strong grip over the logistics and now the business can be replicated. This means we need to come out of the transactional mode of our business and now go for expansion. Initially, we were struggling to retain our own customers. We were struggling with the daily transactional activities of the business. Of course, we grew in the last 4.5 years, but amount of growth that we have seen, now we realize that that amount of growth can be multiplied. The toolkits and the solutions suggested by my consultants and the mentors were very specifically targeted to my requirements, and now we have very defined targets to multiply our business. We have very defined and specific goals that will definitely help us to multiply our business and come out of the transactional mode and go into the expansion mode now. Being into smaller cities does not give us much access to best practices that are followed by successful organizations. Wadhwani Foundation ensures that quality toolkits and best processes followed in the industry are also accessible to SMEs. Engagements with consultants, the webinars organized by Wadhwani Foundation were very helpful to come out of day-to-day challenges. Today we have taken a target to be present at the top 10 gateways in India and multiply our business 10 times compared to our current size. We were able to define a very specific timeline to meet our goals. There were some challenges that every SME will face. To have a target for such a size of organization, we need to come out of our core business transactions and go for digital marketing, go for quality placements. We need to have more people on board with us. This requires that we outsource some of our processes and be focused on our business transactions and be focused on multiplying and copying and pasting our business activities wherever we want to multiply ourselves. So they engaged us with digital marketing toolkits. They engaged us with placement consultants who were able to give us the quality solutions and were able to assist us in the best possible way that can help us to meet these other challenges that we normally, where we feel that we are not experts into that. So it's better to have experts, and Wadhwani Foundation makes sure that you have those experts.